Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the CBS Automotive YouTube channel today, where we are looking at this absolutely stunning Mercedes AMG GT43. Now this has just been delivered to us direct from the dealer to have a Scorpion S5 tracker installed. Now what that allows is the customer who owns this beautiful car to be able to track the vehicle from anywhere in the world using a dedicated Scorpion app. Now having used this all the time myself, I find it a really easy app to use and a really good product. It's got so many features that are really useful, such as geofencing, where you can set a location around a certain area and get notified every time the vehicle leaves or enters it. You can also have tracking on any journey the vehicle takes, with speed information, braking information, and whole journey tracking. As well as that, this tracker is also Thatcham-approved, which one, ticks the box for insurance, but also gives you the peace of mind that this car is secured wherever it goes and 24/7. As well as this, we can also do a tracker called an S5 Plus. Now what that gives you is a mobilization. With the vehicle, you get 2 ADR tags. What they do is if they're not in the vehicle when the vehicle started and moved, it will send an immediate alert to your phone, and then consequently the police try and track down your stolen vehicle. Now, there's a whole host of security upgrades we can do on these kind of vehicles, but this is just one of them. Another common upgrade we do on a vehicle like this is to do a ghost immobilizer. So what that does is it allows the vehicle to be fully immobilized if it's stolen. The way that it works is it uses existing buttons within the vehicle, so no need for a clunky keypad in your car or an extra fob to carry on your keys. It's a really safe and secure system, again, one that the insurance companies love, and we all love it, reducing our premiums on there. As well as there, those are all both discrete, hidden upgrades that we can add to our cars to enhance their security. What there also is some visual upgrades we can do. So these visual deterrents we can do include a baseball bat steering lock. Now we do sell these here at CBS Automotive, and they're a really nice product to use. Really easy, you get in, you twist, you lock, and you're done. You can color match them to your car, so you could also have them matching your beautiful blue Mercedes, but they come in any color under the sun. You can also use a Key Protect Pro box. And what that does, it's a Faraday protected box that you can keep your keys in at home without the risk of anyone trying to copy and clone your key and steal your vehicle when you're not there. And in addition to the security upgrade we've done on this Mercedes, what most of our customers opt to go for is to include a dash camera as well. So that's going to give you protection while, obviously, as you're driving, but also while the vehicle's parked, using an external battery that we fit to the vehicle. So that's going to protect you against any door dings, or when you're not with the vehicle, you still have eyes on it and you can still protect your car. Now all of these security upgrades can all be done in-house by our amazing team, and they protect your vehicle and your pride of joy so that it stays yours and isn't stolen from you. Thank you guys for watching today's video on this absolutely beautiful Mercedes GT43. Now if you're interested in having a similar security upgrade fitted to your car, please give us a call and I'll be happy to help you. Now if you've enjoyed today's video and are looking forward to more in the future, please like and subscribe down below and let us know in the comments what you think of this car and how we can help you on your next one. Thank you for watching, enjoy.